Welcome to my how-to series for Google Sheets. In a previous video, I showed you how to build your own habit tracker, complete with a fun and motivating visual, a cute little plant that grows as you complete your goals. A lot of you loved the idea and reached out asking how I created the animated cactus design using Canva. So in today's video, I'm going to walk you through the entire process step by step. We'll design 5 unique stages of growth for your cactus, from a tiny sprout all the way to a full-grown plant. These stages can be used to represent your progress in a fun and visual way. I'll also show you how to export your images, insert them into your spreadsheet, and link them to your daily habits or goal tracking. Whether you're new to Canva or just looking to enhance your spreadsheet with some personality, this tutorial is for you. Let's get started by heading to canva.com. Click on Create at the top left corner. To keep things simple, we will select a preset. Click on Social Media, then Instagram Story. Go to the left menu toolbar and select Element. In the search bar, search for Cute Cactus. In the Graphics section, select See All. You can scroll in here to find the cactus that you would like. One great feature when you're looking for similar graphics is the option to click on the 3 dots in the top right corner of an image and look for something called View Collection. This option isn't always available, but it's really useful when it is. For this example, I chose the first cactus that came up in the search results, and luckily, the View Collection option is there. Click on it to see the full set of related graphics. We'll be using this collection to create our growing cactus animation. In the first page, I will enter the first cactus option but will later remove the cactus and keep the pot, then add soil and a seed. Click Add Page to have a total of 5 pages. I want to add the tall cactus with the flower on the 5th page as my last cactus. The second last one, on page 4, will be the first cactus in the list. Now let's go back to page 1 and remove the cactus. Select the image, then click on Edit. Select Brush, then draw over the plant pot. This does not have to be perfect. Once you are done, click on Magic Grab. You can now move the pot freely and delete the cactus. To add dirt to the pot, click on Tools in the left toolbar menu. Select Draw, then select the marker. Use the Color Customization tool and choose a dark brown color. Now increase the weight of the marker. Add dots to create dirt. Once you are happy with your drawing, close the drawing menu. Select the pot, right-click, select Layer, then bring to front. Let's find a seed to add over the pot. Go to the search menu and search for seed. Next to the graphics section, click on See All. Then scroll through the options until you find a seed that you like. Don't worry if the image includes more than one seed, we'll remove the ones we don't need later. Resize and reposition your selection. Click Edit, then the Brush tool. I will draw over the left seed and remove it by using the Magic Eraser tool. We are done with page 1. To get started with page 2, select the pot and soil, copy it, then paste it in page 2. Go to the search bar and look for seedling. Find an image that you like and add it to the pot. For page 3, we will copy and paste the image that is in page 4. Click on Edit. We want to separate the pot from the cactus by using the same method we used for page 1. Once they're separated, we can resize the cactus to create a baby version of the plant. I think it would look nicer if I added soil to the pot. A trick I like to use in Canva is grouping items together to make them easier to move and resize. That's what I'm doing here with the soil. We're all done creating the plants and pots. One of my favorite finishing touches is adding cute little faces to the pots. It really brings them to life and adds a fun, personal touch to the design. Go to the search bar and type in cute face. Browse through the results and add the ones you like to your pots. I love how a simple little adjustment like this can make the whole design feel more fun and complete. We've now finished creating all 5 stages of growth for our cactus. To export the images and use them in your spreadsheets, go to File in the top left corner and select Download. I personally don't make any changes in this menu. I just click the download button as it is. It's quick and works perfectly for this kind of project. Once the images are downloaded, you'll get a zip file. You'll need to decompress or unzip the file first. On most computers, you can just double-click the zip file to open it. Once it's unzipped, you'll see all your images inside. Then, go to your Google Sheet, click on the cell where you want the image to appear, go to Insert, and select Image in Cell. Choose the image you want, and it will appear right inside the spreadsheet cell. Repeat this for each stage of your growing cactus. You now have your growing cactuses. Each one represents a different step in the habit tracking process, from a tiny seed all the way to a fully grown plant. These graphics make your spreadsheet more fun and motivating, giving you a visual reward as you make progress toward your goals. If you'd like to learn how to automate these stages based on your habit tracking, check out my video on how to create a habit tracker in Google Sheets. To support my channel, be sure to like this video, subscribe, and leave a comment to let me know what you'd like to see next. You can also check out more how-to videos in the playlist, or visit my shop where I have lots of useful templates, tools, and digital resources to help you stay organized and creative. Every bit of support means a lot and helps me keep making more content for you.